It's great to be here, and I'm excited to show you what I've been working on at Ubermedia. I've become completely smitten by the power of social media for two big reasons. The first is it presents an unbelievable connective tissue for global knowledge sharing across the planet. Second, it's completely disrupting publishing. But at the same time, it presents an incredible opportunity for publishers to connect with their audience in new and powerful ways, never before possible. And I believe we've only seen the tip of the iceberg. I believe that social is going to be embedded in almost every type of digital transaction in our lives in the coming decade. So what's the problem? I believe there's only two problems with social media today: relevance and monetization. Relevance, because we need much better tools to filter what we want to see in our social streams. Any system that has 1 million people contributing to it, let alone 1 billion, and now we have 1 billion, is going to have a serious signal-to-noise problem. I think that needs to be fixed. And monetization, because if you truly want to disrupt publishing, you must have some revenues that go to the publishers. Right now in social media, the people who make the great content don't participate in the upside. So what's the solution? We've set out to fix this problem with a new system we're launching today called Chime In. Chime In is the first interest network where you can connect with others around your interests. By focusing on your interests, we can get you better relevance, and we've added tools to help you get the best stuff up to the top. Let me show you how we've made following your interests even more relevant. We built a new unit of expression that we call a chime. These new chimes are compact but very expressive. A series of chimes forms your chime line. To make the relevance of your chime line even better, we allow you to sort not only by time descending, but also by number of likes, number of shares, number of comments. This is how Chime In helps bring the best stuff up to the top. You can dive into specific chimes on your interest. You can even join communities where people are discussing specific topics that you care about most. These communities can be built by anyone. We also invented another way to dramatically improve the relevance of social media. We call it selective follow. This allows you to just follow the part of a person that you care about the most. For example, if you love Robert Scoble's tech post, but you don't care about his trip to the beach or what he had for lunch or when he checked in at the airport, you don't have to follow that part. You can just follow the part that you love the most. And this applies to everyone. You can follow just a part of a person or a whole person. This makes your timeline so much relevant to you and your particular interests. We've even improved the relevance of our commenting system. We have full-threaded comments, but people can upvote or downvote the comments, helping the best ones rise to the top. These are just some of the things we've done to improve the relevance. Let me talk to you now about monetization. We've created very rich user profile pages where your followers can communicate with you and with each other. These pages are very flexible and very expressive. Here's Ralph's page. Ralph's one of our programmers, but he's also really into sailing. He can completely customize this page with his favorite media, polls, links, chimes, and even sponsors. The powerful thing about this is Ralph earns the revenue from this page. If he has his own sponsors and advertise, the rev share to him is 100%. Finally, publishers can make the money alongside the content they create. This doesn't apply just to Ralph. This also applies to brands, media companies, celebrities, anyone. This is why companies are so excited to partner with us. In fact, today, we've just signed deals with E! Entertainment, Bravo Television, Universal Pictures, Disney, Comcast, and Comcast has made a strategic investment in our company to help us scale this idea to many more partners. This community you're looking at was created by E! Entertainment, and it's a place where people can talk about showbiz news, and it's curated by E! Online. We're very excited about this community feature as it takes the best of the sharing capabilities of social media, but combines it with a place for great discussion and conversation. If you're a brand or a media company, blogger, expert on any subject, we'd love to talk to you about building a Chime In community together. For the first time, you actually get the real estate adjacent to your social media content to own for yourself. There's one more thing I'm very excited about. Everything I've shown you is at our website, Chime In, but we also have mobile apps for iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry. Because we built the system from the ground up for smartphones, the Chime and interest browsing experience when you're on the go is really incredible. You have to try it out for yourself to see it. I really urge you to take a look at our mobile apps. We're opening for public beta right now. John, thank you for letting us introduce this at Web 2.0. Please check it out. I'd love to hear what you think. I'd love to know how we can improve. You can let me know at Chime In, or you can email me, bill@ubermedia.com. I'd like to thank our team in Pasadena, and in India, and in Boston, and Virginia, and all the people who helped us make this possible. If there's one thing I'd like you to remember from my talk today, it's this. Chime In brings relevance and monetization to social media for the first time. Thank you very much. You've been a great audience.
Thank you, Bill.